Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make honey roasted smashed potatoes. This easy potato side dish is simple to make and has such great flavor with that caramelized honey. To start, you'll want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and lightly grease a baking sheet. Then you'll need about 15 baby red potatoes. The smaller they are, the faster they'll cook, so you'll need to adjust the cooking time accordingly. But you want whole baby reds, and you'll want to rinse and scrub any dirt off of them. Then you'll spread these out into an even layer on the prepared baking sheet. Then bake these in the 400-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes. You'll want to bake them until they're easily smashed with a fork, hence smashed potatoes. Just before they're done, you'll want to melt half a cup of salted butter, and I just do that in the microwave. I melted my butter in a measuring cup just because it's really convenient. I can mix everything right in here. We're gonna drizzle in 3 tablespoons of honey in with our melted butter, along with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and half a teaspoon of salt. We'll whisk this together. Then at this point, my potatoes should be nice and soft, so I'll grab those out of the oven. And we'll set this down for a second and grab a fork. We're gonna smash each potato and kind of burst open the skin like so. Once you have them all smashed, we'll grab our butter mixture and drizzle it over the top of the smashed potatoes. That exposed potato will soak up this honey butter mixture. Now I'm just making a small batch today, but of course you can make up to twice as much as you see here. I actually divided my potatoes half and half so I could have some already cooked and ready to smash to show you. Then we're gonna return these to the oven for 5 to 10 minutes, and you can see a little behind the scenes because those are the potatoes I just put in. Putting them back in the oven will allow the sugars in the honey to caramelize just a little bit, and then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.